Ano ba? Ano ba?
Sa aking bawat pagkilan nakatitig lamang sa iyon. Sa altar ng simbahan, hahagkanan, di ka bibitawan. Wala na akong mahihiling pa. Di maikukumpara, araw-araw kong dala-dala pa po.
I don't want you to be part of my son's life. For now, bata pa kaayo. Pero tita, just listen to me, Iha. Divine, dili pa mo ready about this. You guys still have a lot to do to prioritize. Tita, how? I know what's better for my son, so bring up with me.
Can't pay your love. Your kiss to dream.
Ay, okay na ka? Ay, busy yung mama sa ako. Ha? What's your mama sa ako? Wala. Pero she wants me to break up with her son. Hindi na ako kaya. Are you going to do it? I still don't know. I don't wanna, pero si Harry nang maipil if I will not do it. I'm here with you, okay?
Bay, okay na ba, Bay? Bay, ano ito?
Karen, let's stop this. Sige na lang tag-away. Wala na kay time para sa ako.
Ha? Ako kasabot. Kung hindi mo gatag ang oras sa imo, and I'm trying my best, Bay.
Karen, please, let's stop this.
Bay! Bay!
Tawag mo ko.
Bay!
Yung saan mo umangol? Tawag mo! Ah, tawag mo, tawag mo.
Guys, listen. Just a random thought lang ba? Diba, since ginawa naman na may banding ta, right?
Yes.
And we haven't heard about others' lives. So, what if mag-share sa sabi na relationships or situationships or breakups, diba?
Yes!
Ako na lang. So, Kuan, this story was before our breakup after this time. You know, the typical kind of relationship, any moment of happiness. Anyway, tapos lang din. I don't really remember what happened before this. What's very much we're in 5 to 6 years later, we found each other. Rich. I thought I want her. Promise to myself, hindi kita.
Wala kayo ako. Grabe kita. Dali na nag-over. And with that, I'm really proud to say that even though we broke up, hadn't seen and talked with each other for years, I know that since then, we were each other's constant. Sana all. Sana all. Say next.
No,
Sige na na yun.
Huwag susako ninyo.
Gago, pagdali na.
Dali na.
Una, nagmamadalite. I can call it relationship. Dili sigla ko siya matawag na situationship. But anyway, there was this guy that I really liked. With Diha, kay Pas naman.
Weh, defensive lagi.
You know my identity, diba? So, here's the story about me and this guy that I've met 5 months ago. This guy was so perfect that, you know, tall, handsome, and especially gentleman. Yung at first, okay, masaya, sweet, at caring. Until one day, boom! Nalaman ko na lang na nag-upload na siya. Di ba lang magpaalam?
Next na pe? Iban na po? Ha? Anong ako? Ay! Yun! Sino lagi? Sure na!
Oh, sige. So, ingani di ay. Isa. Nana siya. Kinsa!
Magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang. Sa gitna man ng daan, di pinapansin. Ingay sa magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang. Sa gitna man ng daan.
Oh, meron ka?
Wala sa mata. Ayaw lagi ba? Nandito.
Ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti ng dahan-dahan lang. Sa gitna man ng daan, di pinapansin. Ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paikot-ikuti.
Kamusta ba? It's been a while, right?
Firstly, Karen, it's divine.
Okay, bye.
But anyways, I'm getting better now. Ikaw,
Oh,
hindi yung aso.
seriously divine.
Oo nga, ikaw.
It's slowly reaching my dreams. But, ano naman akong ginagawang ikaw. Kumusta ang love life mo? If wala pa, I'm still into you. I wanna be continuing you.
Ingay sa tabi, magulong